Castelvetere is in the heart of Irpinia, an area of Campania famous for winemaking for 2,000 years. Fabio de Beaumont's family are barons, originally from France, who bought this feudal land in 1675.
Making wine is a tradition of my family.
So you use these Barbera grapes to make the wine?
Yeah, we use Barbera grapes and Aglianico grapes. That's a tradition
Very popular
of
here.
Campania.
De Beaumont's cherry-flavored fortified wine is made from the leaves of the cherries, not the fruit.
So my family, the 𝘿𝙧𝙖𝙢 family, they were farmers. It's very possible my family worked for your family.
Yeah, of
or
course.
My family might have tended to these right here.
Maybe they cut the trees.
They might have. It's really amazing. It feels like we're almost traveling in time. Let's try your cherry liqueur.
We're going to test.
Danfa.
Cheers, Katie.
Cheers. Here's to Castelvetere.
Cheers to Castelvetere.
It's very strong, and I feel like I'm tasting our land.
This is Castelvetere.
This is
The land
Castelvetere
of Castelvetere.
in a glass.